This video explains how to buy shares of Classover Hold-B Equity listed on NASDAQ under the ticker KIDZ and offers a brief company context for clarity. This is an educational demonstration and not financial advice. To trade, you need a brokerage account. I use eToro as a neutral example to show the steps. After registering, you will be asked to verify your account, typically by uploading an ID document, and to add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker KIDZ to find the listing. Then locate the Classover Hold-B Equity entry on NASDAQ to ensure you have the correct security. On the asset page, you can read basic company information and view the price chart to confirm this is the correct Classover Hold-B Equity share listed as KIDZ. To invest, click Buy, select the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order is processed, and you can track it there. Check the description for the broker link if you want to follow the same steps.